Farm-based and blazing foods, organic to the world. If you love your broilers, come this way. Natural farming every day. No shortcuts, we do it right. Healthy birds, future bright. From day-old chicks to market size, we teach the truth, no compromise. Knowledge first, success will come organic.